Tired of the same old look on your Google Chrome browser? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to show you how to give your browser a fresh, new look by changing its theme. So without wasting any time, let's see how you can do it. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you are on the home page, click on the Customize Chrome button from the lower right corner of the screen. Then hit that Change Theme button. And then select the theme you want from here. But if you don't like the themes here, scroll down to the end and click on Chrome Web Store. After that, click on the theme you like. Then hit that Add to Chrome button. And that theme will be installed. Hey, if you don't see the Customize Home button, follow this method. Click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from here. Next, click on Appearance from the left side menu. Then click on Theme from here. And it will take you to the theme store. Just select the theme you want and hit that Add to Chrome button. And that theme will be set. So guys, that's how you change theme in Google Chrome browser on PC. If the video was useful, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel cause I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.